everyone. Today we're making a refreshing and nourishing dish that's loved all year round in Turkish cuisine, yogurt and cracked wheat soup. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 cup cracked wheat, also known as wheat groats, 2 cups strained yogurt, 1 cup plain yogurt, about 1.5 liters of water, salt, and for the topping, butter, dried mint, and optionally a pinch of red pepper flakes. Now let's cook. First, we take the cracked wheat that we've pre-cooked and place it into a pot. In a separate bowl, whisk together the strained yogurt and plain yogurt until smooth. Gradually add water to thin the mixture. Next, slowly pour this yogurt mixture over the cooked wheat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon. Keep stirring until it comes to a gentle boil. Once it's bubbling, add some salt and reduce the heat. For the finishing touch, melt butter in a small pan. Add dried mint, and if you like, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Pour this sizzling mixture over the soup. And there you have it, a delicious cooling yogurt and cracked wheat soup ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Bon appetit!